There's a lizard.
Where?
Hey y'all, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, we're going to finish up the raised garden, the raised garden, the raised garden. Let's get started. Let's get started. So I don't know if you can tell, we made a little change. We were going to cover this spare spot. Let me try that again. We were going to cover this bare spot with the raised beds, but right here in this area in our yard, it would just be too much stuff, too cluttered. So we ended up moving all of it out here, out in the yard a little ways. And rather than building four small ones, I went ahead and just built one big one, two small ones, one on each end. Had some old stepping stones left over, so I put those in between. And I think they'll look good back here. So in today's video, this is going to all be about filling these beds up. Now some people would call this hugelculture. I call it being cheap. I don't want to put all that dirt in there. So what we're going to do is put some wood in the bottom of these, stack it up, fill the bottom part of these beds with wood and scrap, limbs, twigs, whatever we can find, and that will take up space so that I don't have to put so much dirt in these. I think this will be kind of ideal. Now all this is old Bradford pear wood. We only use it for camping, and it's real hard, and it doesn't burn very well, so it's not very good for camping. But I put some of this Bradford pear wood in here and just whatever I can find. Now one thing you do not want to do is you do not want to put treated lumber in here. Treated lumber has chemicals and stuff in it that you don't want leaching out into your dirt. Here's the plan for today's video. As you can see, we have a lot of woods, stuff back here. We're gonna go back in the woods and find some down trees, some rotten stuff, anything we can find biodegradable, and grab a couple of truckloads of it, and we're going to fill the bottom of these beds up with it. Then we'll go get our dirt and we'll fill them the rest of the way up. And you may be wondering how much stuff you can put in the bottom of this. As long as you've got about a foot of good soil on top, then you should be good. Alright, got them filled up about as much as we're going to put in them. That ought to save us a little bit of money on dirt. Alright guys, phew, tired. One box filled. Alright, let's get this other box filled up. Got this one filled. Got this one filled. This one's going to take another truckload. One more truckload of dirt, 2 scoops. Should do this one. Then the same place I got this dirt from has compost. I may get some compost and put in the top of it too. Spread it out, mix it in, and then we'll be just about ready. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. I'm going to go ahead and get this bed right here filled up, and we'll be back as soon as we get that done, and we'll start working on our watering system. I bought an irrigation system off of Amazon. We're going to put that in here, try it out, see how it works. That'll be in the next video. Make sure you don't miss that one. While you're waiting, I think you should watch this video.